Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the lesson factors and multiples. Already in 5th standard the introduction to this lesson was done. Hope you remember the factors and multiples. Now we will revise it. The multiples. What are the multiples? How to get the multiples? For getting the multiples of a number, recite the multiplication table of that number. To get a multiple, just recite the multiplication table. Okay, hope you remember all the multiplication tables. At least up to 15 you should remember. If you remember up to 20, it is well and good. Example, multiples of 3 are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and so on. Okay, that is the multiple. Now, what are factors? A factor is a number which divides the number exactly. Factor is a number which divides the number exactly with 0 as the remainder. So, exactly means the remainder should be 0. For example, factors of 12 are 12 is divisible by 1, 12 is divisible by 2, 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12. Now 12 is divisible by 3, 3 4s are 12. Now 12 is divisible by 4, 4 3s are 12. Last year also we have learned this, how to find out the factors. So start from 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you have to go on seeing in which tables it comes. Okay. So, at some place there is an interchange of the number, like 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Yes or no? So, if there is an interchange, then you have to just ask the previous one. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Then the earlier one. 1 how much are 12? 1 12s are 12. So, these are the factors of the number 12. So, 1 and 12, they are the extremes. In between which all factors are there, you have to see. समझ में आया? ये लास्ट ईयर हम किए थे फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. कैसे ढूंढने का? 1 always it is a factor of each and every number. If it is a even number, 2 is the factor. So 2 6 are 12. Yes. Now 3 4s are 12. Yes, 3 is a factor. Now 4 3s are 12. Yes, 4 is a factor. लेकिन अभी देखो 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Means there is an interchange, isn't it? So, अभी हम इससे पहले वाला नंबर को पूछने का 2 how much are 12, 2 6 are 12. और उससे पहले वाला नंबर क्या है? 1 how much are 12. So, this is the way to find out the factors. Now coming to the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? A prime number which has only two different factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So, which are the prime numbers? It is a number which has only two different factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Then it is called as a prime number. Like 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 5, 7, 1 and 7. Now 2, 3, 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. 2 is also the factor of 4. 2 2s are 4, है ना? So that is not a prime number. Now 6. 1, 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. That is why 2 is a factor. 3 2s are 6. Again 3 is a factor. Then 6. 6 1s are 6. So 6 is not a prime. So ऐसे करते देखते जाने का है. ये भी लास्ट ईयर आप लोग डिस्कस किए हैं. सो रिमेंबर दिस, विच आर द प्राइम नंबर्स. यू हैव टू रिवाइज द बाय हार्ट द प्राइम नंबर्स अप टू 100. Total 25 prime numbers are there up to 100. Now coming to the composite numbers. Numbers other than prime numbers, they are all called as the composite numbers. So a number which has more than two different factors is called a composite number. So all numbers other than prime numbers are called composite. So here 2, 3 they are prime, 4 is a composite, 5 is a prime, 6 is a composite, 7 is a prime, 8 is a composite, 9 is a composite, 10 is a composite, next 11 is a prime. ठीक है. Now twin prime numbers. What are twin prime numbers? Two prime numbers. Twin means what? 2. So two prime numbers whose difference is 2. So twin means 2. So two prime numbers whose difference is 2, then it is called, they are called the twin prime numbers. Like 3 and 5. 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now 5 and 7. 5 is a prime, 7 is a prime. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 11 and 13. Both are prime. 13 minus 11 is 12. ऐसे आगे आप लोग देखेंगे तो भी there are some prime numbers. So these are just a few. Now coming to the co-primes. What are co-primes? Two numbers are said to be co-primes when they have only one as a common factor. इधर दोनों प्राइम नंबर ही रहने का ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं है. They might be prime numbers or one is a prime, the other might be a composite. But the common factor should be only one. So 2 and 3 both are prime. So obviously they will be the co-primes. So 2, 1 and 2. For factors of 3, 1 and 3. So 1 is common. That is why they are co-primes. Now 3 and 4. See, 3 is a prime, but 4 is a composite. So factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. But common is only 1. In both these, the common factor is only 1. That is why 3 and 4 are co-primes. समझ में आया? Twin prime मतलब both are prime numbers. The difference is 2. But here co-primes, they might be the prime numbers or one is a prime, the other is a composite. But the common factor should be only 1. So this is the introduction, the different terms. What is a multiple, what is a factor, the prime number, composite number, the twin primes and the co-primes. Now coming to the list of prime numbers. This you have to revise and write. Okay, the list of prime numbers. So I have written in a groups so that it will be easy for you to revise, to remember. So 1 to 10, it is 2, 3, 5, 7. 11 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19. 21 to 30, 23, 29. 31 to 40, 31, 37. 41 to 50, 41, 43, 47. Next 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Total 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. So you have to revise in this pattern only. It will be easy for you to remember. It is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Now, in this year, in worksheet 1, some questions are there. Up to 110 they have asked. That is why I have written those prime numbers also. So it is 101, 103, 107 and 109. But up to 100 you have to remember there are total 25. Up to 110 it is 101, 103, 107, 109. Now coming to the sums. Example 1. State whether the following are prime numbers or composite numbers by listing their factors. So factors लिखे देखो, are they prime numbers or composite? So first for 36, how to see? So 36, it is a 1, 36 are 36. Now it is an even number. So 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 1 and 6, 16, 1 8s are 16, 2 18s are 18 का टेबल है तो मालूम है आपको, 18 2s are 36. Now 3 already for a 3. Now you will understand next worksheet, the divisibility test. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Next it is a 4. 4 9s are 36. Yes or no? Next 5 not. Now 6 6 are 36. Now it is interchanged. So that is the end. So the factors of 36. How do you write? Factors of 36 is equal to. From here you write, then you go. It is U shape. You go on writing the numbers. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and then again don't repeat 6. Sometimes it will be the same number. Otherwise in the earlier 3 4s are 4 3s are like that. Now don't repeat this 6. Directly go to 9, 12, 18 and 36. So the factors 1 and itself, then it is a prime. So now there are so many factors, therefore 36 is a composite number. Is it clear? Now coming to 13. Already you know, in the list of the prime numbers, 13 is equal to 1 3s are 13. So factors of 13, that is 1 and 13. Therefore 13 is a prime number. So that is why we have to bahut the table of prime numbers. Now list the first 5 multiples of 19. First 5 multiples of 19. For multiples, what did I tell you? We have to write the table. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 twos are 38. Next, sorry, here 2 ones are, okay, 19 twos are 38, and then it is a 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95. Is it clear? Okay. Now coming to the worksheet 1. Fill in the blanks. Numbers which have more than 2 different factors, then they are called as more than 2 different factors, then they are called as composite numbers. Only 2 factors, then it is prime numbers. More than 2 different factors, that is why they are called as composite numbers. Numbers which are not divisible by any other number except 1 and the number itself, that is called as prime number. Prime numbers 1 and the number itself उसी से divide होते हैं. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. 6 is a composite number as it has dash factors. 6 के factors क्या क्या है? 6 is equal to 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So how many factors does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 factors. Now dash is the only even prime number. So prime number के लिस्ट में even number सिर्फ 2 है. बाद में सब numbers they are not prime, the even numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. All are odd numbers except for 2. The smallest prime number का लिस्ट में सबसे छोटा है 2. The smallest composite number, 1 neither prime nor nor the composite, 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime. So which is the smallest composite? 4. है ना? The smallest odd composite. Now 4 is a even number. 4. 5. 5 is a prime. 6 is a composite. 7 is prime. 8 is a composite. But 4, 6, 8 they are even. But odd composite, that is 9. समझ में आ गए? The smallest odd composite. Composite number है लेकिन odd number, तो it is 9. The smallest composite is 4. It is an even number, even composite. So इधर odd composite पूछे हैं, that is 9. The greatest 2-digit prime number. The greatest मतलब 90s में है ना. So greatest 2-digit prime number. So 90 में सिर्फ is 97. Is it clear? So that was the worksheet 1, question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. Are the following numbers prime or composite? Show by finding the factors. So listing the factors, you have to say whether they are a prime or composite. Already example में किए हैं, तो वही method. So first write 9 is equal to 1 9s are 9, 2 it is not possible, so 3 3s are. Interchange हो गया, तो इसके लिए अभी factors of 9 is equal to 1, 3 and 9. 1 and 9 उतना ही रहता तो प्राइम नंबर, लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा है, so therefore 9 is a composite number. Okay. Next 48. 48 is equal to 1 48 even है, इसके लिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो 2 हाउ मच जा 2 2s 4, 2 4s 8. डिवाइड करने के वक्त लेफ्ट से करने का है. अभी 3 1s 3, 1 remains, 1 and 8 18, 3 6 18. Now it is a 4 का टेबल में, yes, 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8. Now 5 not possible, 6 yes, 6 8s 48, 7 no. So next number is 8 6 so इधर interchange हो गया. So U shape में लिखते जाओ. So factors of 48 is equal to 1 2 3 4 6, then 8 12 16 24, then 48. Hope you understood. In U shape you have to write all the factors. Therefore 48 is a composite number. 1 and the number itself, then only it is a prime number. Now coming to the question number C, 89. If you know the table of the prime numbers, list of prime numbers, it will be very easy. 89 is a prime number. So factors of 89, that is 1 and 89. Therefore 89 is a prime number. Now coming to 96. So 96, 1 96 second 2, because it is an even number. So 2 how much 9, 4 8, 1 remains, 1 and 6 16, 1 and 6 16, 2 8 16. Next 3 3s 9, 3 2s 6. Now 4 2s 8, 1 remain, 1 and 6 16, 4 4s 16. 5 not possible, 6 1s 6, 7 8 9, 3 remains, 3 and 6 36, 6 6 36. 7 not possible, 8 1s 8, 1 remains, 2s 16. Already you know 12 8s 32. 96. So 9 not possible, 10 not possible, 11 not possible, 12. So interchange. So factors of 96 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and 96, like this. Therefore, 96 is a composite number. Is it clear? Hope everyone is understanding. Now coming to question number E, that is 78. 1 into 78, even, that is why 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 remains, 1 and 8, 19, 2 9s are 18. Now 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 1 and 8, 18, 3 6 are 18. Now 4, not possible, 4 1s are 4. Then 3 remains, not possible. 5 is also not possible. 6. 6 1s are 6. 1 remains. 3s are 18. Now directly 13 6 are. So last. So factors of 78. 1, 2, 3, 6, 13, 26, 39, 78. Therefore, 78 is a composite number. Okay. Now 101, already in the list we have seen 101 is a prime number. So factors of 101 is equal to 1 and 101. Therefore, 101 is a prime number. Okay. So we have completed the question number 2 of our worksheet 1. Hope all students understood till here. Okay, you have to revise the multiplication table perfectly, then only it's possible to solve this lesson. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.